Welcome to day 14 of your English shadowing challenge. Today you'll learn 20 natural phrases you can use at a party. Shadow each phrase 3 times, very slow, slow, and medium pace to build confidence and real-life fluency. Let's begin. How do you know the host? How do you know the host? How do you know the host? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? Have you tried the food yet? Have you tried the food yet? Have you tried the food yet? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? What brings you out tonight? What brings you out tonight? What brings you out tonight? That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. Really? I didn't know that. Really? I didn't know that. Really? I didn't know that. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? So, what are you working on these days? So, what are you working on these days? So, what are you working on these days? Have you watched anything good recently? Have you watched anything good recently? Have you watched anything good recently? Mind if I join you? Mind if I join you? Mind if I join you? What are you all talking about? What are you all talking about? What are you all talking about? I heard something about travel. Where did you go? I heard something about travel. Where did you go? I heard something about travel. Where did you go? No way. That's awesome. No way. That's awesome. No way. That's awesome. Wow. That sounds fun. Wow, that sounds fun. Wow, that sounds fun. I totally get what you mean. I totally get what you mean. I totally get what you mean. I'm going to grab a drink, but it was great talking to you. I'm going to grab a drink, but it was great talking to you. I'm going to grab a drink, but it was great talking to you. I'll catch up with you later. I'll catch up with you later. I'll catch up with you later. I'm going to say hi to a friend. See you around. I'm going to say hi to a friend. See you around. I'm going to say hi to a friend. See you around. Let's take a photo before the night ends. Let's take a photo before the night ends. Let's take a photo before the night ends. Great job completing day 14 of your shadowing challenge. Keep practicing these phrases until they feel natural and automatic. I'll see you in day 15, where we take your speaking confidence even higher.